If you can do a French braid, you can also do a waterfall braid. It's not as hard as it looks, so I'm here to show you. So you're going to start with a split in your hair if you're going to be doing two, because that's what I'm doing today. And you're going to grab a normal amount of hair like you would to start a French braid. Once you have your hair secured, you're going to do as you would normally do. Split it into three and braid, braid, braid. And once you get back to this top piece, you're actually going to let it go and grab a new piece. And you're just going to braid, braid. Now that we're back to the top piece, we're going to drop it and grab a new piece. And then you'll just braid, braid, back to the top. So we're dropping it and adding a new piece. And you literally just rinse and repeat that. It's a lot easier than people think it is, because it's literally just a French braid, except for when you get to the top, you drop the hair. And now I'm just going to braid it down into a regular braid. And this is as far as I want to do my braid, just because it takes me so long to do a tiny braid on all of my hair. And I'm going to be doing this same thing on the other side. Now that that's done, I'm just going to pull a little bit on my drops, just so that they stay flat. And I'm going to brush them. So now we're going to rinse and repeat that on this side. Again, you're just going to take enough hair to start a French braid. Separate into three. You'll do one full braid. And then when you get back to the top this time, you're going to drop it and grab a new piece. Just like with French braiding, you're just grabbing more hair, but instead of adding it to existing hair, you're just dropping the old hair. Because I'm a little OCD, I want to make sure these are braided exactly the same, or at least as close as possible, so that one isn't significantly longer than the other. And there you have it. Super simple, super easy, and super cute. Don't forget to hairspray, and you'll be good to go. I hope everyone has a wonderful rest of their day.